back to Cantuti Plans. This is Carmen, and today I'm going to be planning in my classic vertical happy planner for the week of December 12th through the 18th. Now, today I'm going to be using stickers from the designer Chameleon, and I'm going to be using the Christmas cookie collection. The main sheet, which is deco. These are so pretty. Love all the cookies and the hot cocoa or coffee, and then also the frosting. I have 2 sheets of those. Then I also will be using the Christmas cookie header sticker sheet with the frosting, and also the Christmas cookie days. Now, I am a brand ambassador for Designer Chameleon, so if you decide you'd like to purchase from Designer Chameleon, I do have a code for you. My discount code is Carmen15, and it saves you 15% off of your order. And I'll go ahead and link that down below. I'm also going to be using maybe some of this washi here that I have in my stash, and also maybe some functional boxes from the mojojojoplans autumn boxes and the mojojojoplans rainbow boxes. I think I want to put down some washi, so I'm going to go ahead and start with that. And turn this around, and I think I want to start with putting some washi here at the very, very top. Okay, and I do need some type of washi cutter, so I'm going to go ahead and pull out my ruler. Okay. And there we go. I'll turn this back around, and then I think I'm gonna also put some washi down at the bottom here, but instead of putting it in the box, I'm actually gonna put it below the box. Okay. Let's see how this looks. Looking good so far. I'm going to go ahead and do the same thing to the right page. Now I have a little bit of an outline there. And what I'm going to do here is I'm actually going to use the date covers that come with this kit. So I'm going to go ahead and white out this 12 here and the Monday. And then I'm going to be using the plates that have the cookies on them. Okay. And I'm going to go ahead and find me the correct date to redate the top of this planner page. I'm going to do that all the way across. So this is the week of the 12th. So I'm going to go ahead and get my 12 in there. Okay. So I'm going to do the same thing to the rest of the days of the week. Okay, so we've got our days of the week down and redated. Okay, and then the next thing I'm going to do is I'm going to use these frosting headers, and I'm going to put them across the page as well. Okay, so I'm going to start with a green. Okay, and then we're going to put a, let's see, a yellow down at the bottom. We're going to do it this way. Okay. Ooh. All right, and then we're going to do 2 over here on this side as well, and we're going to do a red, and then we're going to do the blue. Okay, so then we'll do the blue right there. so we've got our days and our header stickers here. So now we're ready to go in to the deco here. Now I'm going to put these to the side for just a second because I do want to get some functional boxes in here now that we've got some of our deco down. So I'm going to go ahead and pull out my functional boxes, and I'm going to go ahead and pick out a color to go here. Now this is the color that goes with this red that we have with the sticker. So that's the red I'm going to be using. Okay, and I'm going to go ahead and put this down as my sidebar. And I'll go ahead and fill that out a little bit later. All right, so we've got that red picked out, and I'm going to go ahead and pick out, that was from the autumn book right here. But now I'm going to pick out some more boxes to go in here, and now I'm looking in the rainbow boxes book. All right, let's see. Now we are going to use the blues in here and the greens and the yellows. So, okay. First, we're going to go for the green. Okay, so we're going to put this green down right in here. Then we're going to get us a blue. And go ahead and get this blue right here. And then I'm going to get a yellow. Okay, go ahead and get a yellow. And put it down right in here. Okay, and then we're gonna go for the red. Okay, and then we'll put it right here. Actually, we'll put it down at the bottom instead. Okay. We'll put it there, and then we'll do another green. And we'll actually do the green down here at the bottom. Maybe I should move the red up just a little bit. Okay, so red, green, and now we need a blue. Okay, we'll do the blue up here. And then we'll use a yellow. Okay. All right, right, so we have a functional box for every day of the week. Now what I am going to do is, now I'm seeing there's too much of an open spot here, so we're going to move this red box one more time, hopefully the last time, and it'll go here. But we just need to make sure it's straight. All right, so now we've got that settled. So we're gonna go in now with our cookies. Okay, so I'm gonna put a Christmas tree cookie and a cup of cocoa here at the top. Put this like this, and then the cookie like that. And I think this is a circle cookie. I think that's what that is. So then I'm gonna do the blue coffee cup or hot cocoa cup and a round cookie. And I'm gonna do it like this. Okay, and then we'll put the cookie right here. Maybe this needs to go up a little bit higher, I think. Right there. Maybe bring down the coffee cup just a little bit. Okay, looks good. All right, and then we're going to bring in some more of our cookies. We can do a reindeer cookie right in between these two guys. And then a Santa hat cookie could be over here. All right, and then I haven't used the snowflake cookie yet, so we'll put one of those right over here. And then another Christmas tree, but this time it'll be this one here. Put this down right there, put it at the top, and then maybe a Santa or another Christmas cookie. Let's see. Put one of these down right here. Okay. And one more right here. I think that one can be the Santa hat. Oop. In the corner right there like that. Okay. All right. Now I just need to find me some bullet points for here and grab my daily gratitude sticker for my sidebar. I'll be right back. Okay, I am back, and I'm going to be using some black bullet points to go ahead and put in my sidebar. So first I'm going to get my daily gratitude sticker in. Then I'm going to go ahead and take this strand of bullet points I've got here in black. Okay. And I think I can add one more sticker right here. So I'm going to try to go ahead and put one more in. And I think what I can add is actually one of these frostings. So I'm going to go ahead and put that in. Okay. All right. One last look. I am happy with how this turned out. Again, I did use stickers from the designer Chameleon, and the sticker collection is called Christmas Cookie. And I used stickers from the deco sheet, from the days, and from the header sticker sheets. I'll go ahead and link them down below, and also include my discount code for designer Chameleon, which is Carmen 15 for 15% off of your order. Also, I did use the Daily Gratitude sticker from Steph's Design Space, which I will also link down below, and stickers from the mojojojoplans autumn boxes and from the mojojojoplans rainbow boxes. Alright guys, thank you so much for watching. I hope you guys enjoyed this video, and I hope that you guys click the like, subscribe, and notification button so that you can be notified of my future videos. Thank you so much for your support, and I'll see you guys all in the next one. Bye!